Hello everyone, how are you? This is Alamin. Today I am going to talk about website. So let's start. A website is a connection of web page available on the internet. Web pages are used for educational, business, entertainment, and communication. I often use websites for learning English, reading news, and watching educational video. A good website should be easy to use and informative. Websites are very important in today's digital world. They help people connected globally and share information easily. Thank you for listening.